Hi, my name is Hala. I'm the founder of Dietapplements. How to boost collagen in your body without buying anything, not even our collagen and biotin supplements. Do you want more collagen to penetrate your skin, your bones, your joints without spending £1 on supplements using everyday stuff in your kitchen? I have the answer for you, actually 2 answers. Number 1, bone broth. Extremely rich in collagen. Bone broth is the original time-tested way to get collagen before supplements were even a thing. Forget fancy overpriced broth. You can make your own for next to nothing. Just pop into your local butcher and get a couple of raw bones. I pay £2.50 for both, but be careful, do not buy the cooked ones. These are for dogs. You're not a dog. Here is the easiest recipe ever. Melt a tiny bit of butter, lightly fry a quarter of an onion, salt, pepper, add the bones, simmer for 30 minutes for a quick fix, but if you've got time, let it bubble for a few hours to extract even more collagen goodness. And here is a pro tip. If you add a splash of vinegar, this helps pull more minerals from the bones. Now, I'm a bit cheeky. I put the bones in the fridge, the used ones, and I reuse them 2 or 3 times. As long as they still have fat on them, I'm good to go. When they start looking too sad and the broth is watery, that's when I buy fresh ones. Bone broth is also packed with amino acids, vitamins, minerals, all in bioavailable forms that your body can actually use. The second option to boost collagen in your body is vitamin C. Collagen is best friend. Did you know, a fun fact, that guinea pigs, monkeys and humans are the only animals that can't make their own vitamin C? So we have to get it from food. Your body needs vitamin C to make collagen, and you don't need to buy any supplements. Just be smart about how to eat it. Why? Because vitamin C is extremely unstable and temperamental. It degrades and breaks down with heat, with light, with air. But here is how to keep it intact in your food. Number 1, tomatoes. When you eat tomatoes, have them fresh. Tomato pastes and sauces lose vitamin C with processing and cooking. Number 2, lemonades. When you squeeze a lemon, don't let it sit for 20 minutes. Just drink it right away because it loses vitamin C to the air. The same theory applies when you cut vegetables. You will lose vitamin C if left out uneaten for a long time. Number 3, broccoli and cauliflower. Here is another hack. Steam them, don't boil them. Boiling leaches vitamin C into the water. Unless you use water in soups, you will lose nutrients. If you fry broccoli or cauliflower in a pan, don't do it on high temperature. Vitamin C is very sensitive to heat, and you would want to retain that precious vitamin as much as you can. I myself eat raw cauliflower like in a salad. It's tasty, it's crunchy, not bitter at all, and loaded with vitamin C. Cauliflower is actually an anti-aging vegetable, and I don't use the term anti-aging lightly. Another tip, don't throw away the broccoli stem, the root itself. It's just as nutritious as the florets. You only need to cook it for a little bit longer. One of the most effective hacks to give cauliflower to children is to make cauliflower rice. If your little one is anything like mine and they refuse veggies, grate some cauliflower with a cheese grater. Lightly heat the cauliflower on the hob with a bit of salt and pepper and maybe some butter. And here you go. Low carb, vitamin C rich rice that children can actually eat. Number 5, talking about raw foods, we can all eat fresh bell pepper, right? The red and yellow ones are vitamin C superstars. Believe it or not, they have 3 times more vitamin C than oranges. Chop them up raw for a snack or lightly warm them in butter. So sweet and good. Now, let's compare, please. I want to sell you this. Here is how bell peppers and oranges compare per 100 grams. Oranges will give you between 50 and 70 milligrams of vitamin C, while red pepper will give you between 127 and 190 milligrams of vitamin C. You don't think collagen when you see a red pepper, do you? It's time to reconceptualize. The bottom line is, keep it fresh, cook smart. That's your natural collagen booster. Simple, easy and free. And if you ever need a little extra collagen support, we've got 2 lovely formulas here for you. I hope this helps and I'll speak to you later. Bye.